Consider some of the easy ways you can modify the look and feel of your website. Themes control the basic color, layout, and font size when you're working in Google Sites. When you begin, if you don't select a theme, you'll get a very generic color scheme like you see here. You can easily change the look and color and format of your website by going up to the gear icon and then coming down to Manage Site and clicking that. When the Manage Site window opens, in the bottom left you'll find the button for themes, colors, and fonts, and you click that twice to open it. You can change a lot of the features within a theme, but it's probably good, and beyond the scope of this particular tutorial, to stay with the basics in the beginning. And when you come in to look at themes, when you click this drop-down option, you'll see other themes that are available. I've discovered, though, that if you try to use the scroll bar, at least right now, it doesn't work that well. It kind of will close you out. But if I click back in and go down and choose a different theme, when I click it, that theme actually shows up in the box below. And so you can get a quick preview of what your changes would look like. With any theme, though, you can go in and customize it. To customize it, you would go to the option that you want to change, and you'll get used to these very quickly. Right now I'm looking at the entire page background. When I go over to the features related to this, I see the background has a color. Right now it's the theme color. If I want to change it, in this case I could go to the drop box, and let me just pick a color. You'll see quickly I'm going to put it in the red, and now you get a sense of what that color was controlling. That's the body here. I can also put in images. Because this is the background, I could put in an image that would fill in this background space. But you may find you're not quite thrilled with the results you get in that case. You can go through and test the different themes that are available and play with some of the options to change them. Now, site header is often one you'll want to change because that's where you could actually put in a logo. The problem is you don't have as much control over the layout of the web page as certainly as I would like. So I find that sometimes if I play with these particular features, I'm not happy with the results I get. But once you've found what you want, you could either save the changes that you've made. You could clear all customization so that if you were playing around with something and you weren't sure what you changed, you could always go and make more modifications, or you could cancel, and that would revert back to the original color scheme that you had when you joined. And you can try very different colors, and you can also go and decide that you want to clear these customizations. Just remember to save what you've done. You'll then need to click back to the original to see how this is going to look and play out with all of your different areas. Experiment with colors and fonts to find just the look you want for your audience.